Hey guys, my name is Charles Garnett. I'm the owner and operator of T-Bonz Motorcycle Service and Repair located in Forest, Virginia. We specialize in Harley-Davidson motorcycles. We offer service, repair, maintenance. We also do customizations and performance builds. I am the service writer, the technician, the inventory guy, the accountant, and make sure that all the jobs are done at a high quality level. That's a lot for one person to take on. That's where Torque 360 comes in. And I had looked at several different software companies, did some demos online, and found that Torque 360 had everything that I was looking for. The integration with QuickBooks Online, the TorquePay to be able to accept credit cards through the system, and that also integrated with QuickBooks. The rep walked me through it and answered my questions straight and then gave me the price. The price was the deal closer. It was exactly what made sense for a one-man show. I can see my numbers month over month, where the business is growing, and what services are bringing the most revenue. I was too busy doing the work. And that kind of things took a lot of time out of my day. Now I can actually run the business, not just work in it. What I didn't expect is how good the support would be. From setup and training through questions that came up weeks later, somebody's actually been available. You're not handing a login and left to figure it out. If you're running an independent shop, this is the system I would recommend one day. It gave me my evenings back. It's the reason I can spend time working on bikes instead of being buried in paperwork. The system keeps me organized, tracks business properly, and doesn't cost a fortune. Torque 360 has checked all the boxes for me. I would recommend it for any small shop.